Train Time viewers, we have the SD70MAC in the house again. It's Engineer Thomson in the house. Yeah! Woo! '47 with the bell ringing. Woo-hoo! Come on, Thomson! Yeah! Yeah! Thanks, Thomson! With the SD70MAC and the Dash 8. Woohoo! With the transfer job. Yeah! Woo! Oh man, new TTX cars. Sweet! Fat wheel on these BNSF Heritage Scheme cars. This set of power came through earlier. The Dash 8 led the train. And I got a call from the Commonwealth that he was bringing the loads back. So I'm guessing this is not the Q130. It looks like it, but I think it's the F767 transfer crew. So anyway, so we'll watch CSX SD70MAC number 4747 and CSX C40-8 7518. Still looking good in its YN2 paint as they will continue to the Commonwealth connection. Bad wheel. God, that was not bad. The BN car, by the way. So maroon MSC containers. That's the brakes. These cars right here just got passed with the new TTX logo. See, there you go. Look pretty good. Ladies and gentlemen, as I explained this last time, these cars are interconnected into a set. It's a set of four. Their axles are shared. It's two cars for one set of trucks. But when one set ends, like this one here that you're getting ready to see, that's the end of that set and it starts a new set. Sometimes they're single cars. And that single car, it looks like any other car. So, there you go. Just wanted to give you a little explanation on that if you don't remember from last time. That there was the first time I have seen an SD70MAC in quite some time. Sorry about that. Bad wheel again. So far on these cars, there have been no empties. APL, American President's Line. Ex-APL cars, wow. And here comes the end of the train. Just a few more cars and that will wrap it up for my buddy Engineer Thomson. And here comes the last car. Woo! Oh man! Woo! I tell you something right there, folks. That was one classic set of power. The C40 actually and the SD70MAC from earlier, they turn around again, the EMD leads. That's a great 2 videos right there. So anyway, wait a minute, we might get a call, come on. Remember, this is Commonwealth crew, never mind. But this train actually, that is actually a transfer job. We caught a couple of those here at the station, but this was a transfer job today. Somehow the staffs were ending up at Kenyon Road. The set of power came through to pick them up, and Thomson brought them back to the CW. Great job. This was a great day. Just only able to see these 2 engines, they put on an amazing show. So anyway, there goes that train. Thanks, Thomson. You rock.